Dictionaries and sets. In Python, dictionaries and sets are two important data structures that allow us to store and manipulate data in a flexible manner. Dictionaries are unordered collections of key-value pairs, while sets are unordered collections of unique elements. Let's dive deeper into these concepts. Dictionaries in Python. Dictionaries in Python are created using curly braces and consist of key-value pairs. The keys must be unique and immutable, while the values can be of any data type. Dictionaries are useful when we want to store and retrieve data based on a specific key. Here's an example of creating a dictionary. Accessing and modifying dictionaries. To access the value of a specific key in a dictionary, we can use square brackets and provide the key. For example, to access the age of the student dictionary, we can use student age. To modify the value of a key, we can simply assign a new value to it. For instance, student grade equals B would change the grade from A to B. Dictionary operations. Dictionaries support various operations such as adding new key-value pairs, removing existing key-value pairs, and checking if a key exists in the dictionary. To add a new key-value pair, we can use dictionary key equals value. To remove a key-value pair, we can use del dictionary key. To check if a key exists, we can use the in keyword. For example, if name in student would check if the key name exists in the student dictionary.